It's draw time! Hi friends, welcome to Draw Time! Today we're going to draw a Christmas tree full of shiny decorations and happy little gifts underneath. This is going to be exciting. Just sit comfy, relax, and watch the Christmas magic happen. Did you know Christmas trees love being decorated? It makes them feel fancy and proud. I wonder, do you think our tree is excited right now? I think it's wiggling a little, saying, "Hurry, hurry, decorate me, ha ha ha." Here's a fun tree fact. Christmas trees wear lights like necklaces and ornaments like buttons. That means our tree is getting dressed up for a Christmas party. Silly tree. What color do you think the star on top will be? I think it wants to shine super bright to say hello to Santa. Whoa, haha. Our Christmas tree is complete and ready to be colored. All right, friends, let's thickening the lines so our Christmas tree looks super clear now. We're tracing all around the tree. Look how bold it's getting. Wow, our Christmas tree looks awesome. Well, ha ha ha. Wow, that's look like a rainbow colors. It's color time. Let's make our Christmas tree bright, happy, and full of fun colors. Color yellow. Let's start with the star on top, friends. I'm coloring it bright yellow so it can shine and glow. Do you think the star likes being up so high? I think it feels proud and says, "Look at me sparkle." This star helps our Christmas tree feel extra special. Does the star glow at night? I think it shines extra bright when everyone is sleeping, glowing softly above the Christmas night. Color orange. Now here comes the orange candy cane. I'm coloring it orange, nice and bright. Color green. Now it's time to color the Christmas tree, friends. I'm choosing a lovely green to make our tree look fresh and happy. Look how the green spreads across the branches, nice and slow. Do you think the tree likes this color? I think it's smiling and saying, "That feels just right." Did you know Christmas trees stay green all year long? That's because green means strong and alive. This tree looks like it's ready to hold all its decorations. Bells, ribbons, and candy canes. It's doing a great job, don't you think? Let's color gently and carefully, filling in the branches from top to bottom. The top is small and pointy, and the bottom is wide and cozy, like the tree is wearing a big green skirt. Silly tree. If this tree could talk, what do you think it would say? I think it would whisper, "Thank you for making me so beautiful." As the green gets darker and fuller, the tree starts to look warm and happy, like it's standing in a cozy Christmas room. This tree isn't just a tree, it's a Christmas helper, holding gifts underneath and shining with a bright star on top. Look at our Christmas tree now, friends. It's standing tall, proud, and ready for Christmas fun. Great watching, everyone. Our tree looks amazing.
Whoa!
Why do you think the tree has a star on top? Because every tree wants to feel special and bright. Did you know Christmas trees stay green even when it's cold and snowy? That's why they look fresh and happy all winter long.
Whoa!
I'm coloring the Christmas tree very slowly and gently, so it stays calm and cozy,
Whoa!
just like a quiet winter day. This tree looks so fancy today. I think it woke up this morning and said, "I'm ready to be a Christmas superstar." you think is hiding under the Christmas tree? I think it's a happy present waiting very patiently.
Whoa!
Color pink. Now I'm coloring the ribbon pink. Pink ribbons are soft and sweet, like a gentle hug for the tree. I think this ribbon feels fancy and says, I make the tree look beautiful. Color red. Let's color another candy cane with red Christmas color. Let's color the Christmas bell. Bells love to jingle and make happy sounds. As I color it, I imagine it going ding ding. Color blue. Here comes the blue ribbon. Blue feels calm and cozy, like a cool winter day. This ribbon is decorating the tree so neatly. Color brown. Now let's color the tree trunk. The trunk is strong and helps the tree stand tall. As I color it, I think the trunk is saying, I'm holding everything up. Good job, strong tree. Now it's time to make it sparkle, sparkle, sparkle. Let's color the Christmas lights together. Now let's color yellow. Yellow like a bright, shiny star. Next comes green. Green like our beautiful Christmas tree.
Whoa!
Color purple. Purple, this one's so magical and so pretty. Is this your favorite color? I'm taking my time, so every part of the tree feels special. Color pink. This one looks like a color of a candy on a Christmas cupcake. Oh, now blue. Blue like the cold winter sky. This green color looks so nice and warm, like a soft blanket on a cold night. Like how all the colors are coming together, making the tree feel cheerful. Next light, orange. Orange like a yummy Christmas treat. And lastly, red. Red like Santa's hat. Friends, look at our colorful Christmas tree, all decorated and ready for Christmas. I hope you enjoyed coloring along with me. Make sure to subscribe to Draw Time so we can have even more fun drawing and creating together. See you on my next video.